Guys, it is absolutely beautiful here.
Rise and shine, another day arriving. Ultralight beams. Ba, ba, ba. It's overdue. All the things I told you. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Tectonic line set adrift and make me all brand new. Tear the pages out my mind, make me blind and transfixed all in you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Winter is Blue. My name is Mateo. I currently am traveling part-time, soon to be full-time, in my 1999 Chevy Astro with my cat Lars. So you might be wondering, where's Lars? Well, I promise you he's good. It's more of a precautionary thing why he's not coming with me today. Today I'm going to a state park in Georgia where, from what I read from the reviews, it's pretty much crawling with alligators. So, I mean, I'm personally not worried about them, but, you know, I'm not trying to put Lars in harm's way. I at least want to check it out myself and see if it's a place where, like, I could bring him, but I just didn't want to really chance it today. Yeah, oh, wow, yeah. So, at the time that I'm recording this right now, I have 300 subscribers. That is insane. I just started posting like last month and I'm at 300 right now. Thank you guys so much. Like you really have no idea like what that means. Like all the kind words, the fact that you tune in and care about, for some reason, what I'm talking about. I just can't thank you guys enough. And I got stuff that I got to think of how to, like, you know, thank you guys in some way. But 300 subscribers, that I feel like a low-key celebrity, which is I'm sure it sounds stupid, but I don't know, 300 subscribers. In my mind, when I started posting in December, my goal for 2023 was to get 500 subscribers by the summertime, and the fact that I'm already at 300 is just insane. So thank you guys so much. This is the spot. This kind of reminds me, well, so far, This kind of reminds me of the creepy one from my earlier episodes. Oh, what the heck? No. Okay, I don't know what the heck that was about, but the maps took me to this like game area with like dudes with guns. We're not doing that. Just come on, man. We're not going into an area where people are just like holding guns and it says violators will be prosecuted. I feel like that's just slang for shot. So no thank you. Let's hopefully find a different way to get here. Oh man. Okay, we have made it. There are other vans and other cars here as well. All right, cool. Let's figure out where we're gonna be parking. So yeah, there are plenty of like campsites here. You can park like right on the water, which is pretty dope. I haven't seen any alligators yet, but I know they're in there. As far down as I can. I only got like a couple more hours until it gets nighttime. I need to be back at my camp spot. But this place is incredible.
I am, my wings are expanding, I'm conquering flight. No foreign appendages, this is the legend that they've been to write. See with new sight, reaching new heights. Moonwalking like Mike, we be like Titans whenever we touch. Heavens departed, the folk ran them up. Run until Shakespeare, I ran out of luck. Loving requited, I'm looking for puck. Love is organic, it don't have to rhyme. My heart is a planet and yours is the same. Maybe we'll orbit each other in time. I don't know. Break me like tectonic lines. Set adrift and make me all brand new.
This place is called Omaha Brewing Company. It's on the way back to my campsite, so I'm gonna see if there's anything good in there. Maybe I might grab a beer to go or something. I need to get home, well, back to the spot so I can start a fire before it gets dark. Okay. All right. We are off. So that place was really nice. The bartender, I just ordered a flight. So I ordered four ounce little tastings. I got a milk stout, IPA, something else, a wheat ale. It was all really good. I'm saying I know I'm a lot, but so today's been awesome thus far. Seeing the Grand Canyon of the South, realizing that I have 300 subscribers, still insane. What else did we do today? We went to that nice brewery. We're gonna go make some food. I'm either gonna make some ahi tuna or we're just gonna roast some chicken sausages, whichever one. I have to get back to start this fire. There's about 30 minutes until it's gonna be dark out here, and I gotta find a parking. I don't even know where I'm gonna be parking because I didn't find that before. And there's alligators afoot, apparently. All right, guys, we are down to the wire. There's like 30 minutes to find somewhere to park, to get out some kindling and some firewood and like cut up some stuff and start a fire, or I'm gonna be in the dark. So y'all wish me luck. Plus, I have to drive super slow on this long road, so yeah, we'll see. I think I can do it, but yeah, you'll either see that I win or that I lose, whichever one. I'm having a great day. Today was really great. So this is where we're camping tonight. Right on the lake. That's so incredible. Oh, man. Like, how is this free? I don't understand.
Spots on my apples, pick me off and fix me. Take me off this breath apparatus, wake me from my daydream. Breathe me in like your cigarello, harsh but so addicting. Wrap me up like cold Sunday morning, drink me like your coffee. Ooh.
Alright guys, it is late. Well, it's probably not late, it's probably early, but you know how it is when you're van lifing. Early seems late, or you go to bed early. But anyways, so the scene of me doing the fire, I just want you guys to know that any other day I wouldn't have gotten the fire done today. Sometimes, you know, you try for a fire, the stuff that's already in there is wet. The wood on the ground is wet. And it's just not looking like you're going to make one. But I don't know how long that video is. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to cut it and, like, speed it up maybe. But it took a long time to get that fire going. And I did that because I was like, if I can get random people who don't know me at all to, like, care about what I'm going through, I can put in the work and make this fire happen, even if the odds are against it or me. So yeah, I made that fire as like a little thank you for you guys, to show you that that's how dedicated I am, and I'm not gonna stop. And I hope you guys are still here to see what's going on. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're enjoying this content. I'll have more coming for you soon.